Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from Quick Public Records step by step. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Let's jump in. To opt out of Quick Public Records, go to their website at quickpublicrecords.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Under the Customer Support section, click the Remove Me from Website link. On the new webpage that opens, instructions for removing your public records from the quickpublicrecords.com website are provided. Click Get Started to start your opt-out. Search the personal information you'd like to remove by entering your first and last name and your age into the fields where indicated. Select the state where you live from the drop-down, complete the security check, and click Continue. From the search results that appear, find the record that contains your personal information and click the Remove button below it. In the verification form, verify your opt-out by entering your email address, check the agreement box, complete the security test, and click the Continue button. An on-screen notification will appear indicating your opt-out request has been submitted. A verification email will be sent to your email inbox. Check your email inbox for an email message from Quick Public Records. Click the link provided in the email to validate your opt-out request. A successful identity verification message will appear. Confirmation of your opt-out will be sent to your email address. Check your email for confirmation that your opt-out has been completed. Your data will be removed from the quickpublicrecords.com website. Congratulations on opting out of quickpublicrecords.com. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.